Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I will show you how to download install Eclipse IDE on Windows 11 PC, and also we will learn how to print a Java program in Eclipse very easy way. But before we dive into installation, let's take a quick look at what Eclipse IDE and why developers using it. So basically Eclipse is a free open source IDE which stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is most popular for Java development, but also it supports other languages like C, C++, Python, and more through plugins. And some key feature of Eclipse includes code editor with syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, built-in debugger, integration with version control tools like Git. So whether you are a student, beginner, or professionals, Eclipse make writing and managing code much easier. So that's all of Eclipse ID. So let's get started. So first open Google Chrome and search Eclipse IDE download and enter. Here you can see the official website of Eclipse. Download Eclipse, Eclipse Foundation. Click on it. After scrolling, you can see download and click on 64 downloads. Now download is started. File size is 158 MB. So it will take few seconds or few minutes. So let's wait. Once the file is downloaded, right click and open, minimize. Here you can see the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developer, Eclipse IDE for C, C++ developers. So we will choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Leave it default and click on install. So installation is started and it will take a few minutes or few seconds. So let's wait and sit back. Once the installation is completed, launch. Here you can see the official workspace of Eclipse. So select your workspace where you want to write your code. So browse here and click on D and make a folder, my Eclipse first project. You can write anything here. So my name is my Eclipse first project, and select folder and use this as the default and do not ask again. You can also check this, otherwise leave it. So launch. So cancel this and um, click on hide. This is the default workspace for Eclipse IDE. So we will go to create a Java project. To create a Java project, write a project name Java, Java programming, and enter. Expand this src, right click, new package, programming in Java, and click on finish. Again, right click, new class, first program, and finish. Now you can see a class name is first program. We will see how to print a simple Java program. So write main method, also write sysout and control space. Hello Java. You can see a green button to print Java program. Click on it. Here you can see button of the console, Hello Java. So we have successfully installed Eclipse IDE on our Windows PC, and also we'll learn how to print a simple Java program. That's it. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Also, drop your question in comment section. I will reply to everyone. Thank you for watching and keep learning. Thank you, guys.